Hello and welcome to this video, where we will be reviewing a brand new product that has been just released that is scientifically proven to reduce and prevent vision loss. Today's product is known as Vista Clear, an exclusive formula of multivitamins, essential vision antioxidants, minerals, and herbs, all combined together in a form of a dietary supplement. This formula is inspired by an ancient Aboriginal recipe for thousands of years. This recipe has been used by the Australian tribe members whose eyesight has been shown to be 4 times sharper than ours. Countless studies published in the peer-reviewed medical journals have proven beyond any doubt that unlike the standard American diet, the crucial nutrients and vitamins in the Aboriginal diet constantly supports the health of their vision. This unique formula in Vista Clear is designed to support the healthy function of the eyes and its components such as the retina, the macula, lens, cornea, and the optic nerve itself. Vista Clear is a 100% natural supplement that has no chemical coating or any other non-essential filters. It has no side effects and can be safely used at any age. Also, it is a non-GMO based supplement and it is vegan friendly as well. And right at this moment, they're offering limited discounts on their websites for all their packages with 60 days 100% money back guarantee, which makes purchasing Vista Clear is absolutely risk-free. You can check out all their offers and discounts in the first link in the description below. And if you want to get more details about Vista Clear, you can check out the second link in the description for their official video presentation that they provide. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more future reviews for new products.